The first thing you see when you enter into my garden is my tower garden, and I have these two plants down here. I'm calling them my mystery plants because I can't remember what I planted, but I'm sure when they get bigger I'll be able to identify them. Then I have this lettuce here. I have a whole row of lettuce. I'm gonna let them grow big and into a nice head of lettuce so I can harvest them as one head. It's just so much prettier and so much more rewarding. So those are my lettuces. And then up here I have rainbow chard, and I forgot to show you, but on the other side I have 2 celery stalks as well. And then here, these are also experiments. I have a beet and I have an Easter radish over there. They are looking so amazing. And then right here I have a giant spaghetti squash plant. As you turn over, I have 3 pots, and one of the pots is actually from my mom's friend at work. He gave her these green onions, so I just stuck them right here and I've been watering them, and unfortunately they're going to seed. I have my tomato plant here, and look, they're already starting to flower. I cannot wait to get some big ripe tomatoes. And then these are like my pride and joy. These are my carrots. They are little baby carrots. They are so sweet. And then I have my green stalk here. I love my green stalk. There are so many plants you can fit into the green stalk here. So these I started indoors. These are green bean seeds. And even though I did harden them off, the transplant just didn't do so well. So they're kind of dying off. These I did start from seed. These are also green beans. So I'm going to have to pull out these other green beans. Like this one right here. Just harvest what I can, and I'll probably plant more green beans by seed there in those pots. And then right here I have a zucchini squash plant. I love making zucchini bread in the summer. Then I have a whole row of strawberries. We have been eating strawberries and they have been so delicious. We've been snacking on them. And then I have some lettuce here. I did 3 pots of lettuce. They're just really teeny little baby lettuces. They're so freaking cute. And then over here I have some chives, and actually I think these are green onions. And then up here I have some cilantro. My dad loves making salsa, so of course I planted some cilantro so we can make fresh salsa. And then over here I had some empty spaces, so I put some radishes. Radishes are so good on salads when they're like sliced up thinly. They taste so good on salads. And then I have some basil here, which I love basil and it smells so good. And then I had 3 spots open, so I just put some more radish seeds, which is great because they're going to be growing at different rates, so I'll be able to harvest at different times. And then I bought this guy from the store. This is a jalapeno plant, and oh my gosh, look how freaking cute. It already has a little mini jalapeno right there. I cannot wait to harvest some fresh jalapenos. And then I have some rainbow chard here. These ones I started indoors and they are doing so well. So that's my green stalk. And then next to it I do have some flowers. These come up annually, so they come up on their own every single year, so I just watered them and let them do their thing. And then I have this last garden here. So I have a bunch of different peppers. I have bell peppers, I have like mini picnic peppers, I have cayenne peppers, jalapeno peppers, just so many different peppers here, varieties obviously that we like to eat, so I planted those. And then these are kind of an experiment. They're mini dwarf tomatoes and they're already growing little tomatoes. They're so freaking cute. And then I have this basil plant here that is not doing so well, so I'll harvest what I can and probably let the rest of it perish, unfortunately, but that's okay. I have so much basil on my other green stalk. So yeah, this is my full little garden. I know it's not big or crazy, but it is an amazing small garden.